In this video, we're going to be looking at solving one-step equations using decimals. The principles are just the same as when we were dealing with whole numbers or integers. If we look at this equation, it's a one-step equation. We need to isolate the variable by getting rid of all addition and subtraction before we do anything else. When we do this, we can see we've eliminated the 3.2 from the left side. All we're left with is W. Because we've taken it off, the 3.2 off of the left side, we have to also take it off of the right-hand side. And you check it out, 4.1 minus 3.2 is 0.9. And we check the same way. We're going to substitute the W with 0.9 plus 3.2. We add it up and see that it equals 4.1, which is what we started with. So we did our work correctly. Let's look at another example. In this one, we have W minus 3.2 equals 4.1. Notice the difference here is we are subtracting. We handle it just as we always did. We have to take care of all addition and subtraction first. That's the term with no variable. So the opposite of subtraction here is adding. So we're going to add 3.2 to both sides, which leaves us on this side with just W. And over here we have 7.3. We check it out. 7.3 minus 3.2 will equal 4.1. Now, don't just fill in the number and say, oh, it works. You've got to go and check your subtraction. Does 7.3 minus 3.2, does it really equal 4.1? You've got to know that before you can check it off that you've done your work correctly. Let's try another example. This time, we're going to have 3.2W equals 9.6. Well, we know that 3.2 right up against the W means we need to multiply. Well, how do we undo multiplication? By division. So we're going to divide both sides by 3.2. On the left, it'll leave me with just W. 9.6 divided by 3.2 is, yep, you got it, 3. So let's take 3.2, substitute the W with 3. Now actually multiply that, and we will get 9.6. We've done our work correctly. Let's try one more example. This time, let's take W divided by 3.2 equals 4.1. What's happening to the W? It's being divided by 3.2. So we're going to multiply by 3.2. That will enable us to cancel it out on the left so that we're left with just W. But because I multiplied the left by 3.2, I have to multiply the right by 3.2. 4.1 times 3.2 equals 13.12. Let's check it out. 13.12, I'm replacing the W with the 13.12 divided by 3.2. Okay, you do it. And what do you get? 4.1? Great. We did our work correctly. And that, students, is solving one-step equations using decimals.